Hi everyone, welcome back to another, this time really quick unlock tutorial from unlockresellers.com. In today's video, I'll show you how to unlock the network on the HTC Wildfire E6 using Pandora Tool through BROM mode. Let's get started. First, open Pandora Tool. In the quick search bar, type and select HTC. Then choose MediaTek. Go to the Locks tab and select Unlock Network. Now power off the device completely. Then, press and hold both volume up and volume down buttons and connect the USB cable to your PC. This will force the phone into BROM mode and Pandora will detect it automatically. Now, just wait a few seconds while Pandora does the job. Once it's done, the device will be network unlocked, as you can see in the picture. Simple, fast, and no need for test points or extra steps. You can get Pandora Tool activation and other professional unlock solutions at unlockresellers.com. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more GSM repair guides.